Here we have an iPhone 7 Plus that was mailed over for no touch. Customer said touch is not working, and he had a brand new screen on top. The first thing that we did was try another screen just to eliminate the fact that it could be a screen issue even if the customer's screen is brand new. We tried ours and touch is not working. Now, before I started to record the video, I was doing a quick inspection on the board and I noticed this. So I thought, let me press on the record button and make a video on this. Right there, that's what I noticed. Look at this. Now, if you look at the board diagram here, the component is a filter. And what does that filter do? If you read down here, it's SPI AP2Touch CS_L. So yes, this filter has something to do with touch, and it's important that we have this filter in place, otherwise it's going to cause touch issues. So that was quick. Now, finding the problem is one thing, and soldering that filter back on is another thing. We are in a very awkward area. We have a plastic connector on top, and it's going to be hard to get our soldering iron on here. Look at this. I cannot fit a hot tweezer here to solder that component because of this. We can get rid of this overfill here so we can make room. We have to be careful if you want to apply hot air because we have a plastic connector here, we have a plastic connector here, and we do not want to damage anything. So I think right now I'm going to attempt to solder this component back on using the soldering iron and see how it goes. And we're going to start by applying solder onto those pads. And let's see, what tip are we going to use? What tip are we going to use? And I have to be careful not to touch the tip from the front like I did in the last video. I mean, we're going to need a really, really fine tip. And let's try this side. All right, so let's see if that filter soldered on. Now look at that. The filter is soldered on nicely. So right now what I did is I pressed on the component with my soldering iron, even though the soldering iron tip is very small, but the component is microscopic. So a lot of heat was being generated by the soldering iron compared to the size of that component. I pressed down on it as a whole, and that component is soldered on nicely. Very nice. We did not have to use hot air. And now we can clean up and test. Are we going to have touch? We're going to try the customer's screen that he mailed over with the phone, which is this one here. And like I said, it looks new. It is new. And let me just assemble the screen and see if touch will work. All right, so the screen is connected, the battery is connected, and let's turn the phone on and we'll test together if touch is working. We do see the Apple logo, and fume extractor off. Okay, is touch working? Yes, it is working. Look at this. Touch is working. Press on the home button. I did not know we had a home button here, that's why I was doing this. But right here. Go up, go down. Touch is working. The phone is fixed. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.